Hey boys and girls, today we're going to practice finding our missing numbers. So at the top, please write your name. And then we are going to fill in the missing numbers. So if you look at the hundreds chart, we're not doing the whole hundreds chart, we're just doing parts of it that are missing. So if I look and see, I have 51, 52, so what's going to come next? 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, and 59. Now I can just look and see, okay, what is going to go in this box here? So it starts with 61, so what's next? 62, 63, 64, what's this one going to be? 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Good. So after 70 is 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. And then what's going to go between 78 and 80? Yep, 79. Good. Okay, now on the bottom part, you are going to fill in the missing numbers again. So this time I want you to show me what you know and what you can do without my help. So when I say go, push pause on the video, fill in the missing numbers, and then push play and see if they match with mine. So ready? Push pause. All right, did you try it? I want you to check. You should have 55 here, 57 here, and 59. If you did it, give yourself a check. Okay, next row, you should have 29, 30, and 32. If you did that part, give yourself a check. Good. Next we have 93, 96, and 97. If you did it, check. Good. Next row, it should be 61, 63, 65. How'd you do? Did you get them right? Good. Give yourself a check. And on the last row, you should have 39, 40, and 42. Did you get it? Check. Good. Now, on this side, all you're going to do is practice writing one more. So we have 51, 77. What comes after 29? 30. What comes after 84? 85. This one's 57, 32, 80, and 11. Okay, so now it's your turn to try. We did some together, so I want you to push pause and try the next side. Ready? Go. Okay, did you give it a try? Let's check. 40, 83, 56, 27, 105, 63, 35, and what's the last one? 100. Very good. All right, go ahead and do what your teacher would have you do next.